You already got the new one. You didn't waste any time, did you, you bugger?
Say hello. Talk to me.
I'm gonna do some walkies.
This is serious. Look. I'm being shy.
He knows you're recording him.
Get the car. There you go. Good job, buddy. Good.
Clever.
Right.
Yes.
See you.
Clever boy. That
Where
is
did
clever.
the clothes by go? Did you see him go anywhere when?
Did I see which way Reese went? Did you? I honestly didn't.
Did you know?
I bet he's in our bedroom.
We'll just leave him there all night. It'll be fine.
I'll stop here.
Leave his phone here. Yeah.
That was a
Dylan. Dylan.